welcome to day number 1 of the Ventura County Fair.
Hello everybody, today we are at opening day of the Ventura County Fair, the county fair with ocean air, and they say that because right on the other side of the Ferris wheel is the Ocean Surfers Point. Absolutely beautiful fairgrounds, beautiful view, best view from any ride at any county fair, right up there on the grand wheel. So they are celebrating 150 years. They have switched to cards for the rides in the game, so that is new. They also changed out the way you enter up front, much more efficient, much quicker to get in. So we're going to go check out all the animals, all the exhibits, all the rides, the food. The grandstand concerts remain to be free, or you could go VIP and actually purchase a reserved seater box for those shows. Tonight, Vanilla Ice is performing with some 90s stars, but let's head into the Ventura County Fair. 150 years.
As you enter the fairgrounds, you'll see the first of 3 Ferris wheels. It is located in the kid ride area, which is to the right when you enter. There are plenty of rides here for the little ones, including a puppet and marionette show. Don't forget to see this. We saw it during the Strawberry Festival and really enjoyed it. As you can see, there is plenty of seating, so when you go to get something to eat, it shouldn't be too hard to find a place to sit down. We ate several times throughout the day and didn't have an issue finding a place to sit. And so many places to eat. As you can see, dozens upon dozens of food vendors, something for everyone. But don't forget when you're there to take a picture with the corn on the cob cutout. There he is. He's here every year at the fair. Here's more food. You can see barbecue. Just choice after choice and plenty of seating. And of course, don't forget the funnel cakes. We love funnel cakes. We'll start our tour of the exhibits here in the Garden Pavilion. I'll stop talking so you can just enjoy the tour. But don't forget to check out the agricultural building. This is one of my favorites. You can see pumpkins. Yes, almost that season. Getting close to Halloween season. So I'll stop talking. Let's take a tour of the Ventura County Fair 2024, the 150th.
Ventura County Farm Day is usually the first weekend in November. We've done it the last 2 years. Check it out. You can tour farms all across Ventura County. And make sure to check out all the livestock competitions. Normally I have this fear of goats that I cannot even describe to you, but I just met the nicest goat. Watches the channel, Merced. We're gonna edit Merced in right here. Ventura County, despite being part of the Los Angeles metropolitan area and being so close to LA, there is a lot of agriculture here, one of the driving economic forces. So it is nice to see that represented at the fair. I think out of all the local county fairs here in Southern California, you'll find more agriculture and display animals here at Ventura County than anywhere else. The Ventura County Fair has finally moved into the 21st century with game credit cards. Used to be tickets, so you can get them at the machines. We'll show you how much these are. Make sure you hold on to this. The Hobbies and Collections building always has some of the coolest stuff, including gems and minerals, and it just came out of there. There's a really cool little mini sweeper, like a floor sweeper toy collection. Never seen those, really cool. First item of the fair, fried cheese curds. These are a must. Let's see if they're better than LA. The photography exhibit's one of my favorite, clearly. You know how hard it is not to eat all this? And it's opening day, so it's fresh and it smells really good. So there is actually a Uncle Leo's Piggy Pursuit. These pigs are hidden all over the fair, and you scan the QR code and then fill out the form. And when you find them, you edit the form. So the children's exhibit hall is kind of crazy in here, and we don't want to film all the kids, so we'll just show you a little bit. But there are activities and artwork. I got $20 worth of fun. We got a baked potato. Look at this. Baked potato, cheese, bacon, sour cream. Number 19? We had a napkin malfunction, so this is Brian's baked potatoes. You can put anything on it. They have carne asada, pulled pork, right? I just went with the traditional baked potato. Cheese, bacon, sour cream. It is nacho cheese. So the Pepsi and the potato, I think, came to $23 if you're curious. Tea's hot dogs, we have something unique. I don't think I've ever seen this at a county fair. They are charcuterie cups. There's a veggie one, and then there's one with salami.
And go! And off we're rolling! Hold up, take it! That's gonna be snap to snap. Who's our winner? Number 1, Sophie Smith takes the win! 3! Oh, he's already on that one.
When you live in the San Fernando Valley or down in LA, and it is much, much warmer than here in Ventura, and you come up here, that ocean breeze is always so nice until you get on the Ferris wheel. And then it rocks back and forth, and you're holding on for dear life. But the view cannot be beat once you get up to the top. While we are up here at the top, holding on for this win, we will look at the Ventura Pier, the longest wooden pier in California. I don't know, is it open? Yeah, it looks like there's people out there. Maybe not. It suffered a lot of damage from that hurricane or tropical storm that came through last August, and then it was ready to reopen, and another storm came through earlier this year and did more damage to it. But if you're up here at the county fair, make sure you walk around the beach when you're here, because it's absolutely beautiful. There's a really nice bar in the Crown Plaza over there too that has an ocean view if you want to step away for a few moments and grab a drink. These are the loaded deep fried pickles. They're deep fried pickles with nacho cheese, bacon bits, and ranch. As I mentioned before, the grandstand concerts are included in your admission for free, but if you wanted to go VIP, you can upgrade and purchase a VIP ticket for this area. Otherwise, the grandstand seats are free, and there are also boxes also that you can purchase with 10 seats and some additional things. So check that out if you're interested in coming with a big group.
Let's begin. Party on, party people, let me hear. We like to welcome everybody to I Love the 90s at the Ventura County Fair, y'all. Real old school party going on in here tonight. Singing C Music Factory, Tone Loc, Sugarhill Gang, Vanilla Ice, y'all.
interesting thing about the Midway here at the Ventura County Fair is that it is an independent Midway, which means that it isn't one carnival ride company. There is RCS, Helms & Sons, and Castle Amusements all have rides here. So it's a really good collection of rides. That is it for the Ventura County Fair. It is freezing cold, it is foggy, it is windy. There was supposed to be a drone show at 9, but I think they canceled it. There goes that ride. Would you ride that? Absolutely not. Had a ton of fun today, saw all the animals, the show, saw the 90s, met Vanilla Ice, got a picture with him, very excited. Plenty of time to come on out. The fair runs daily through August 11th. That VIP section for the concert, totally worth the money, I think, if you want to sit down there. What else? Oh, and there's that scavenger hunt. Make sure you do the scavenger hunt. Ton of good eats. Just had a really, really good time here at the Ventura County Fair. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you know when we post other videos. We're going to head out now. We've been here for 14 hours. Yeah. Well, no. 10 hours. 10 or 11 hours. It's been a long day. So thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.